Hey, what's up guys? I know it has been a while. I hope you are all doing well. This is a quick video just to tell you about my new Telegram channel. Telegram is the easiest way for me to share a lot of stuff with you, things like high quality materials, 3D models, 3D scenes, etc. All for free. What you have to do is just to download Telegram for desktop, create an account, and join my channel from the link in the video description. Let me show you an example on how to download from the Telegram channel. Today I have posted this high quality exterior scene including 3ds Max files with all the maps and the PSD files. So after joining the channel, you can see a preview for the files before downloading it. Let's say you want this one, just click on it and it will start to download. Of course you need also the maps folder, so let's download that as well. Now wait for the download to finish. Alright, so now let's go to the files. If you want, you can move the downloaded files from the Telegram folder to another folder. Now we need to extract the files. You can use WinRAR or 7-zip. I prefer using 7-zip. So just extract them and that's it. Help me to grow the channel by sharing it with your friends. Also, I want to know what kind of content you want me to share in the channel. Do you want exterior scenes or do you prefer interior scenes? Write that down below in the comment section. That's it for this video. Take care. Bye.